What's up mga kabites? It's your resident biter, Riri Bites. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with JC, who I haven't seen in the longest time. We were supposed to see each other yesterday, but I was sick. I had to rest.
Sick as a dog.
Sick as a dog, and I was dog tired. Oh, lahat na lang dog. Tsaka it was raining cats and dogs yesterday. Charot.
May naman makapa.
May pasak lang.
Okay. Yung pasok
Kasi
na
lahat ng dog.
Yeah, so we're here again. Kasi if hindi mo ako kikitain today, hindi mo na ako makikita. Next week mo na ako makikita.
Oh yeah, he had church earlier. I wasn't able to wake up kasi I was sick nga. You know what happened? Hindi ako nakapagpa-alarm. Yun yung issue.
It's okay. You can take your time naman to rest.
Pero kasi dapat nag-church ako. Anyway, we are here at our Starbucks. Our usual Starbucks near our gym.
No usual Starbucks mo sa Light Mall eh.
R.
R.
Notice
R.
the adjective R.
Rated R.
Anyway, yun yung term. R. Usual.
R.
Mine lang kasi yun, girl.
Mine. So this is supposed to be mine kasi dito ako madalas mag-gym. Pero it's R kapag weekends. Okay, got it. Okay na. Okay na to.
Okay na to. Wait lang, we met Fonz. It's so funny kasi we were arguing right outside. Where was this? Sunny's. And then,
Outside straightforward.
no, outside Sunny's na yun. Beside straightforward.
Yeah. Siguro in the middle.
And then, he touched the chest of the mannequin. Sabi ko, okay, doon ka na sa mannequin. And then right afterwards, we saw Fonz.
I saw him, so hindi siya.
Yeah, may nagpapapicture sa kanya doon.
Kasi blinded by rage siya.
So you will see our video sa baba. My video with Fonz is so funny.
He's simple, he's really approachable.
Yeah, very approachable. And he's pogi, so fresh.
Yeah.
Pero hindi mo na-notice yung foundation niya. Tsaka yung nose line. Pero okay naman.
Hindi ko na-notice.
Bagay naman. Kasi wala namang mga naka-unbox. Yung mga underneath na tinatago.
Ako, out and proud.
Okay naman yung skin mo. Alam niyo what made his skin better? He started using yung ko.
Ang tapang nga pala, pero okay lang.
Bagay kasi siya dito. He started using my, anong tawag dito?
Betadine skin cleanser.
Yeah, Betadine skin cleanser. And then yung Betadine skin cleanser ko, pampawala siya na amoy ng aking kilikili.
Deodorizer din kasi siya.
Umorder ka nito? Ha?
Umorder ka nito. Akala ko hindi ka umorder.
Akala ko din.
Thank you.
Juliet ba ang pangalan mo? Bilang anak siya. It's so fine. Anak siya ni Julieta.
Thank you. Naalala mo ako.
Ayan. Kaya matapang yan kasi bagay siya dito.
Okay, so let's do the honors.
Kasi yung sticky cinnamon vanilla is super matamis. So it's bagay sa barista drink. Which is 3 pumps naman. It's supposedly matamis pa rin. I was supposed to do 2 pumps of white mocha.
Okay.
But, sabi ko, parang hindi niya magugustuhan yung 2 pumps. Sabi ko, 3 pumps pa rin.
Sana 5 pumps mo.
5 pumps, yun yung maximum.
Kasi kahit saan dyan hinati ko lang para madali siya i-cut.
Ano yung homily ni Father kanina? Bilang na-miss ko yung church time natin.
Ang homily ni Father kanina is about... Hindi siya... Hope ba yun?
Hope? Hope yung last week, girl.
Wait lang.
Memorize ko yung mga homily ni Father.
Giving, ano to? Yung parang wag kang receive ng receive, mag-give ka din. Those who give, receive gifts daw, parang ganon.
Ay, ayaw niya i-receive yung mga gifts ko. So, yun yung problema namin.
Like anong gifts?
Buti nga yung nag-receive na siya.
Sige, shut up ka muna. Yung mga ka muna dyan. Those who give, tend to receive gifts. Kasi may 3 daw yan eh. Takot mawalan, takot mabawasan, at
Takot
saka
masapawan.
takot maubusan. 3 daw yon. Tapos, okay lang naman daw na zero ka. Kasi God will always provide. Parang ganun yung context na kanina.
God will make a way.
Oo. Kasi iba daw kasi parang, ay, ba't ako magbibigay ng ganyan? Kasi mas kailangan ko tong pera na to, ibibigay ko pa. kumbaga sa mga less fortunate, so, wala na sa magkakapatid, ikaw yung nagsisikap. Tapos bigay kayo ng bigay sa kapatid mo na support sa'yo. Tapos, ba't ako magbibigay? Ako naghihirap dito, tapos bibigay ko lang sa'yo. Parang gano'n. Pero, that's a wrongdoing now. So, you should still give. Diba? Maging selfless ka, huwag ka maging selfish. Yun yung context ng homily kanina ni Father.
Siguro ang ano lang nun, ang point lang nun, para hindi ka umabot sa point na, ba't ako lang yung bigay ng bigay? Which, ang point lang nun is that, when you give, make it enough, but not too much. Kasi dun papunta yun eh, parang, oh my God, ba't ako lang yung bigay ng bigay? Ibig sabihin, hindi bukal sa loob mo yung pagbibigay mo. So, dapat bigyan mo siya ng what's enough, na parang, yun lang yung kaya mo. And then, yun lang yung feeling mo na kaya niya rin.
Tsaka when you give, it doesn't really matter naman kung grandiose mo siya, or simple thing na customized, big or small, it still counts.
Yeah, at saka dapat enough lang talaga doon sa kakayahan mo kasi
Di ba mas
ayaw mo din naman maghirap na ikaw yung
Tama.
maghirap.
Don't spend beyond your means.
Tsaka nga, kapag nagbibilang ka na ng mga binibigay mo, which it means na hindi bukal sa loob yung pagbibigay mo.
Tsaka don't expect anything in return.
Yeah.
Dapat, nabigyan ako na ganito, kailangan may return of investment ako dito. Dapat, mali yun. Tama naman si Father doon.
Except sa lalaki, dapat may ROI talaga. Charot.
Tama. Ganda ng view dito, no?
We are in Uptown Mall. 4th floor.
Okay ka na ba?
Starbucks.
Okay. Actually, Doris here na.
Okay.
Nasa Philippines na siya. Pero umalis ulit siya, natulog lang sa condo.
Davao.
Pumunta ng Davao kasi graduation ng brother niya. So wala pa siyang isang buwan sa Japan, umuwi na ulit.
Sino bang nasa Japan?
Family niya.
Ang sarap ng kape. Oh my gosh. I so love it. Papatikim ko dapat sa kanya. Same lang naman dapat yan eh. Pero feeling ko mas matapang sa'yo based sa kulay.
Oo. Oh?
Gusto mo ba mag-switch tayo?
Okay na ako.
Baka sumabog yung ulo mo.
Kasi feeling ko, mahawak ko.
Hindi, switch yung straws.
Middle.
So, JC is traveling soon. Kaya wala siya next Sunday. I will be going to the church alone next Sunday. Kasi he'll be in. Can I reveal? Is it allowed to be revealed? Or surprise na lang natin sa guests natin?
I'll be in...
Kuala Lumpur.
Hindi.
In Kota Kinabalu.
I'll be in Reykjavik.
Alin?
I'll be in Reykjavik.
Asan yun?
Iceland.
Iceland. Oo, bilang isa kang cold person. Doon ka na lang.
Or ako, rendezvous ako, side trip sa Cairo. Babaong ko yung sarili ko dun sa pyramids.
Sa Egypt.
Egypt.
Yeah, so wala siya next Sunday. Sayang kasi sumakto pa yung sickness ko this past couple of days. And then I didn't wanna make hawa him. So I tried to stop my ubo right now. Kaya yesterday we were supposed to go to the gym together, pero medyo mas malala pa ako yesterday. Right now I think I'm better naman. But yeah, I still sound sick, no? Sick and tired of your bullshit. Ang bait pala ni Pons. Nakala ko nga i-joke niya ako eh. Alam mo, buntik ko na ilabas yung mic ko kanina. Parang, Pons, hi, mag-vlog tayo ng 10 minutes. Ano ka, pinagkakitaan mo pa ako.
Ginawa mo ng impromptu naman yun.
Hindi pwede yun kasi kawawa sila. Palagi na lang sa pinagkakakitaan.
Totoo. You're exploiting him if you're going to do that. Bilang exploitation naman.
Unless gusto niya, parang pwede ko siyang mag-ask ng permission. Kaso I don't wanna bother naman the person who's just around the mall, shopping, alone. So, ayun
Tsaka
lang.
alone time niya yun, di ba? Private time.
Although they're aware naman na they're public personalities na and that's what they chose. Even though alam nila na aware sila na parang marami na silang fans, let's still give them the space that they need. Kasi tao lang din naman sila. Pero ako, kung sisikat ako, go, take away my space. Charot. Feeling,
As a Capricorn, hindi ka papayag na gano'n.
as a Capricorn na as a Leo,
Capricorn na gusto ng spotlight. That's it.
hala, binabash ako. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. Any words na you
Words
will
of
tell me while you're away? Ilang araw ka mawawala?
8 days to be exact. So, I'll be back on March 7th. Tapos,
May outing kami ng March 8. Outing?
no, not totally outing. It's just a meet with friends na katrabaho.
May meet and greet kami sa mall. Kasi may mga fans na kami sa aming love team.
Pero kidding aside, mga key takeaways ko while I'm away, just enjoy, just continue what you're doing. Kasi
Yeah.
alam mo naman na yung mga tamat mo.
Be malande.
Kasi mag-uwi ka doon sa apartment, go. I implore you to do it. Habang humihilik ka, habang hinihitik mo yung sigarilyo mo, habang nagpapakasasa sa alak at sa mga pera pinapadala. Hindi, charis lang. Hindi,
Habang nilulustay mo
It's
yung
his-
perang padala ko.
it's his privacy naman eh. Basta mag-ingat lang siya sa mga pinupuntahan niya. Hindi, mag-ingat like sa gym. Ganon. Kung mag-over kayo nila con, go.
Ayun lang, that's it for today's vlog. If you haven't yet, please do click like, please subscribe to my channel, drop all of your comments sa baba. Lahat po ng aking social media nasa baba po. Support nyo po ang aking content sa Facebook and TikTok and other channels. Ayun lang. Bye! Wait, 12 minutes?
Inaya.